Hey guys, today I wanna show you one of the code side project I was working on. This is a side project on which I was working from last 1 or 2 weeks. The idea behind this is from last 1 or 2 years I was very much into frameworks and library. I was getting craving of writing code in pure JavaScript. So I thought, how can I do that? So I thought of an app, a simple app of but the code will be on JavaScript only, no framework, no library. This was my first condition. So I thought of making a pizza order app. It's a very simple app. There is no backend, everything is at front end. You just select type of pizza, few toppings, the base and the number of slice and nothing else. When I started this project, the idea was simple. As I mentioned, I wanted to code in JavaScript, but when I started doing it, I started adding few more things. Example, the data was coming, I started pulling the data from JSON. I put some validation, and also I did some patterns implementation also. The why I am showing you this is I wanted to show that when you are working on side project, yes, idea does matter, but sometimes idea is not so important. What important as a developer also is what you wanted to try. If you wanted to try React, instead of thinking a big idea, you can pick a small application idea and start building that in React. Same way as I developed this pizza order app, which is very simple, but the condition was I wanted to code in JavaScript only. Okay, so demonstration time. So here, when you launch this application, you get veg or non-veg option. Then you get variety of veg pizza. When you select any pizza, you will get the toppings. These things are coming from the JSON. When you are selecting the topping, you will get a tick mark. You can unselect this also. You can pick the base of your pizza and the number of slice. When you click, you get this screen, and when you click on order another pizza, you go to the first screen again. For the validation part, I made you need to pick your type of pizza and the number of slice, otherwise it will not let you submit it. So these things are mandatory here. The code is not perfect. Yes, there are a lot of code factoring required. Yes, the UI is not perfect, but this year I really wanted to focus on making things out there. That's why I'm focusing more on that rather than waiting to make everything perfect. This is a work in progress thing. I will start adding more things in this. I will start cleaning my code, implementing UI. Those things can be done step by step. But my first aim was to start writing the code in JavaScript, and I did that. If you have read my 2017 Rewind blog on Medium, you have read that I started few projects in 2017 which I was not able to finish because I wanted to make them perfect. But this year my first aim is to start building and shipping it and then making them perfect for the outer world. As Eddie Osmani quoted, first make it, then make it good, and then make it better. Same philosophy I'm following this year, and I really want you guys to also think of this rather than waiting for your code UI to be perfect. Start publishing things out. It will give you the confidence. It will help you in getting the early stage feedback also. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was inspiring for you. Bye.